Hi Meg, Paul here again at Mills Toyota Auto Center here in Wilmer. Just wanted to go through a couple of the products that we offer here. I offer it to everybody. My wife and I have it on our two vehicles, and we think it's a fantastic product. It's inside, outside, and on windshields. It's called Zurich Shield is what it is. And I'll just kind of do a little walk around and explain what it does for you as I go around the vehicle. So on your paint coat on this car, it's a very well taken care of, very beautiful car. And what Zurich does is it actually flattens out and covers up the surface area of the paint. Paint is not very thick nowadays, it's about paper thin, and it has a bunch of little valleys and grooves in it, so dust and salt and road particles and sap and bird poop and stuff stick to it and will erode away. And the Zurich actually flattens that out. It's a water-based applicant wax. It has a wear-off point or a burn-off point of about 1300 degrees. Most waxes burn off at about 250 to 300, which is as hot as a hood gets when you're out in the sun. But as you can see, especially with your paint based here, there's a lot of bugs that are on this car right now. And one thing that Zurich will do is, because it smooths out the surface of the paint, is it not only protects it and makes it so that the bugs will come off really easy from a washing, but what it also does is it protects them, because when they die, some of them had acid, some of them will still be alive a little longer after they've splatted on your vehicle, and you'll get a sign of some wear and tear on that. You'll get a little bit of eat through of the paint, and you'll get kind of that pepper look, so that's kind of what they protect against. And so it's just added protection for your vehicle to make it look nicer, longer. That comes with a 7-year warranty on the vehicle also. But that also goes on the interior of your car. And what it does on the interior is, we say it protects from boots, butts, and backs and spills. And with the light interior, if you accidentally spill coffee, if you have, I had a guest that was carrying wine with her and she accidentally punctured a hole in the box and she didn't know it, and it leaked out in the back of her car and it stained her seat. Fortunately, she had Zurich. She just called them. We tried to get the stain out and couldn't, so Zurich actually paid to reupholster that vehicle for her because the stain wouldn't come out because of that 7-year warranty. So this will protect from early wear on your seats. It will protect from if you sit down and you put a puncture mark in the seat with a pencil or something, or whatever else could happen in a vehicle, blood stains, stuff like that. It'll protect from that. If we can't get the stain out, if Zurich can't get the stain out, they'll pay to reupholster it. The nice thing for you is Zurich is across the country. So even though you're down in Iowa and our dealership is up here, you do not have to bring that back to our dealership to have anything done to it. Zurich will take care of you. The other one is on the windshield. So what it does for the windshield is it's 3 things. The first one is it's a permanent Rain-X. I don't know if you ever used Rain-X, but it basically makes the glass a solid surface so that raindrops don't have anything to stick to, so they just kind of beat up and roll up off the windshield. And so, for example, my wife and I were driving back on the interstate from a Twins game. I was doing about 75. We hit a downpour, and the rain was so hard that cars were actually pulling over to the side of the road and stopping, even though their wipers were on high. And I hadn't even turned my wipers off of intermittent yet, so they were barely even on, and I was still driving and had clear vision. It was really quite fantastic. The second thing is that it's going to make your windshield 10 times stronger, and that does 2 things. Number one is it makes it harder for it to chip or pit, and if it does and you get less than 6 inches, what will happen is Zurich will actually pay to have your windshield replaced, and they will also pay to have any pits or chips filled in, so that you don't have to have your insurance deductible brought into this situation. And that's a 5-year warranty on that. The third thing is it makes it clear, so it removes any glaring from rain or at nighttime, and it just makes it much safer to drive. And like I said, my wife and I have both of those on our cars. I was not much of an add-on person prior to discovering this product, and once I saw it in action, it was something that I knew I was going to put on both of our vehicles. And the whole package is only $1,148 for the 5-year warranty on the windshield and the 7-year warranty on the interior exterior. And then if you do just one or the other one, the windshield is $449 on its own, and the interior exterior is $699. Both of them are great to have together, and they actually will increase the resale value of your vehicle if and when you do go to trade it in, because it will be in such great shape. My business manager will contact you with a little more information in regards to that, and we'll kind of go from there. So she'll be giving you a call after I get this pushed to her. So have a good one. Thanks.